Hello guys, how to fix Windows Update error code 0x80073713 on Windows 11 and 10. You are also trying to install Windows latest update and failed with error code. Then here are the fixes, and the first workaround is run Windows Update Troubleshooter. Go to Windows settings by pressing Win+I shortcut key. From the left side, go to System and go to right side and look for Troubleshoot. Click on it and here choose Other Troubleshooters and run the Windows Update troubleshoot. Click on run and let the window complete the troubleshooting issue. It will not only detect the problems, it will resolve accordingly. This is the first and initial workaround. You must apply Windows inbuilt tool troubleshoot and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on a start button and choose run. It will open run dialog box. You may press Win+R shortcut key to launch run command box and here type services.msc to open services windows in your system. Start or restart some Windows update related services, and the first one is background intelligent transfer services, BITS. Right click on it and choose a start. If you already found it in a start mode, then restart it. After that, apply a double click on it to open its properties and set a startup type as automatic. Set it as apply and OK to save the changes. The second Windows Update related services is Windows Update Services. Look for Windows Update Services on Services Windows and same procedure. Right click on it and choose start, and if you found it already in a start mode, then restart it. Open its properties windows and set a startup type as automatic and click on apply and OK to save the changes. After that, check whether your Windows Update error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Perform a disk cleanup and type disk cleanup. Open disk cleanup in your system. Open it. Choose drive where your program files are kept and click on OK. Thereafter, files to delete, make the check against recycle bin, temporary files, thumbnails and other temporary files and choose OK. A pop-up window will appear. Choose delete files. After that, check whether your Windows Update error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next one is temporarily disable your antivirus software. Go to control panel in your system and here look for Windows Defender Firewall. Click on it. Here from the left side, choose turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Click on it and temporarily disable both the features under private network settings and as well as public network settings. Turn off Windows Defender Firewall, temporarily disable it and click on OK to save the changes. And once your problem is resolved, then you must turn on Windows Defender Firewall again for both the network under private network as well as public network. After that, check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Run the Windows DISM tool. Go to Windows search, type CMD and open command prompt windows. Run as administrator mode. Here first execute sfc scan now command. Type sfc / scan now and press enter and let the window complete the scanning procedure. Wait till 100% verification complete. It will scan your system for any corrupted system files. And thereafter execute the command DISM tool. These three commands execute one by one, followed by enter key on each time. DISM online scan health, DISM online check health, and DISM online restore health. Execute all these three commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time. And after that, restart your system and check whether your Windows update error code resolved or not. If not, manually install Windows latest update. To manually install Windows latest update, don't forget to restart your system after applying DISM tool. Now manually install Windows latest update. Go to your Chrome browser and here look for Microsoft Update Catalog. Microsoft Update Catalog will appear as search result. Choose first result, Microsoft Update Catalog, and here under search field type your KV update and click on search and manually download and install Windows latest update or update you failed to install. That's all.